Okay guys, still Thursday. Welcome back to the show. We are working in front of this bed here. I'm sure you can see what I got clamped up there. Basically, to make a piece of angle iron, or not angle iron, but sheet metal, to recreate the floor support here, because there was pretty much nothing left along this bottom for the header panel to spot weld to. So I'm going to spot weld this across, and of course my pieces of sheet metal that I have are only 2 foot and I needed 27 inches. So I'll have to make another one to go from there to there. And then I've mangled a little angle up here, and then that's going to go on the inside to create this lip. So I don't have a brake, and I don't feel like trying to make complex bends. I'd rather weld two pieces together. It'll give me a little extra strength. Yeah, it's just another spot for rust to start, but the front of this floor is gone. So we'll start with this, and then I'll tell you my plan for the rest of it. There, I hear the gas flowing, but my regulator's screwed up. I have to check it every time I use the welder. Oh yeah, I like that kind. better. Better looking weld. Nice and warm. That's what happens when you hit rust. Yep. Sure, I've blocked this whole video so far, so let's see. There's where we're at so far. 14 minutes and nothing here. That's what I'm doing. And then I'll put my strip on here to mimic where focus where this lip comes down. So I got to scab a piece, zoom out here. This little area I've got to fill in with one of these, and then I'll have to make a lip to come down. So there's 14 minutes of me making a buzz noise. So alright, I'll catch you in a bit. Well guys, just like on the Flintstones, I think I heard the quitting bell or whistle blow. I'll show you what I got here. Let me get the header panel fitted up there. Oh yeah. And I've got a patch tacked in there. And basically what I was doing, I was taking a hammer and that piece of square stock, square tubing, whatever you want to call it, and making a tack along the front here and clamping it on the back and just beating the daylights out of it to try and get some semblance of shape to it. But one thing I did notice, and I guess not all trucks are created equal, my flange on the bottom of this, you see where the spot welds are drilled from the old one, my flange doesn't reach it on the bottom. So I'm going to have to work something out with that, because I don't really want to drill more holes in this panel. I'd rather fill those. So that's not a huge deal. It's been about a half an hour since I welded, and I'm going to take another half an hour or so here and clean up what came out of this when I was beating on it, and make sure we don't have any fires. I wouldn't think I would. I'm welding on something that just has some rust underneath, but always better safe than sorry. Yeah, I'm a little discouraged at the way that fit on there, but they don't always put the spot welds in the same spot probably on these. And we look at this other panel here, and I mean, they're probably ½ inch off the bottom, and I'd say these probably mostly are too, but maybe that panel is not identical height for whatever reason, but it'll be okay. Tomorrow when I come in, I'm going to solid weld all that, and then I'm going to take the DA after I grind those welds down and try and feather that bed liner back so that I get the bed liner off of the paint, because the paint's still holding on there. I need a blend area so that I can put some etch primer over the bare steel, and then I'm going to seam seal this front seam after that's all welded up nice. And then I'll work on cleaning up the front of this bed. I'm not sure. It's supposed to be really warm on Saturday, so I may hold off till Saturday unless I get ambitious to finish block seaming that second coat of primer that went on there. I pulled the paper on this side. I have no doubts that that's good to go unless I blow through it, and then I can just dot some etch over it if I hit some bare metal. What else is noteworthy here? That's about it. That's it for today. You guys got a long bullshit video earlier of some half-ass priming and talking. So I'm just going to sweep this up. I'm getting wore out. It's been a long week, and I just want to get as much done as I can so that I can get this damn bed back on the truck so that I can move the truck in and out of the shop, clean the shop. I'm in a whirlwind of mess here. I'm leaving the skid steer outside now. The other thing I'm going to probably try and do this weekend, I'll probably do it Saturday, I'm going to paint the inside of these jams and leave the outsides for when I paint the rest of the truck, because I'll have to paint 2 bed sides, and I'm still up in the air about this patching that passenger front fender there. So, alright guys, I'm babbling. I'll catch you later. Have a good day.